wonderful people. Mumbada nebe. Umutoba nebe. Oh, I know ya de chikwe no titi na ebe obube. Umu ewu a na-akpọchari. Umu ewu a na-akpọ ka mgbada. Ụmụ mgbada, ụmụ utobo. Akwato dabo buchago ni no ofu. Ndara. Come to your village. My people, good evening. Please hit the like button and share the video. Me, I dey Lagos like this, so I dey Lagos like this, but you go tell them. Also, welcome. Please hit the like button and welcome to this evening broadcast. Help us beat the algorithm by liking the video, sharing and leaving a positive comment. Welcome, my people. I salute you. I greet each and every one of you. I hope your days went fine. Me, I dey enjoy myself. I dey enjoy Lagos like this. No concern me. Nigeria is a big country. We go the wrong cross country. You understand? Now why you go to the travel, at least your brain go to change. You go to learn from other cultures, learn from other people. Once stay in one place go make you go to think one particular way. Nigeria is too big. I greet you, my wonderful people. I salute you. Please hit the like button and share the video. Share with friends and family. Tag Umu Tobo, let them come here. Let them come here. Umu come here and explain to us. Umumbada. Yesterday I was in my village. You know, when I passed out Omaka, you see all those of you, those Okada people in Omaka, at Omaka, I don't have your time yet. The day I will have you people's time, I will come and be picking you one after the other. You see this one that calls himself 5 pencil. You see that B44 where they say they know the sea. Know what I go soon show and I say I know them one after the other. I know them go reach their mama house. Don't worry. Can ezu no shu no ezu on the ụmụaka gbachiri unu nkịtị. On the ụmụaka gbara unu nkịtị. The day you people will see that thing you are looking for. Jishinike. Okay? First off, I want to say kudos, a big kudos to people of Isunjaba, even though so many of your boys are part of this criminality going on, but you didn't allow anybody to do it in your place. I myself, not as if I don't know the people doing it for my village, but I wouldn't say I'm happy because now they're supposed they happy. So they do like so I know they see them. You understand? And at the day why I go here, you see that place where una they go, they do that, and na there una go there, na there they will buy all of us. The day where una go say una go carry am near house, I better me go on. Una know say for January una they do una gossip. I do like say I know hear am. Mistake we una get yesterday na because I know here. Say then they find people 10,000 for one shot. You see that way we fire yesterday. If to say I hear them, I for come go huna la first fire, then we go amuko for fire them again as we did there. Then go ngori umuduru fire them there. Then come go a commando bar. Fire am there. Me gonna for announce am very well because you know say me. I know 1 year story. Say oh he hide the come. Now why I ring that thing? Me no say they ring and they still ring, you know. And he still ringing. Pray make you no ring for your house. Like I normally say. Ọhụrụ agahala ọnụrụ na ntị na agba. Ọhụrụ n'anya alaghị ije a. Ọnụrụ na ntị ị na-agbachacha itufuo tali. Ịma no too much of nkịtị a na-agba unu mere o ji abụ onye pụta ọ na-ezuzugharị ajọs gba unu nkịtị. Ada ike n'ụlọ mana onye si na isi na ara na ahịa ya jegodi n'iwu gate a sị na ọ na-achị ịnara fine. Ka m bịazie bịa kwuo ya 30 minutes n'ọsọ. Unu ama ọdịrị mgbe na ibu na moto ya. Unu ama ọdịrị mgbe na like unu anyways ka like I said mother dịka ada ike n'ụlọ. I wouldn't compare myself with all these fools that will be making noise in their place. I don't like importing them. And I love that law. Onye ọbụla agba akpa m nata ni ego. Ịchọwa ebe a na-agbakpa m bịa ka m mbie gị egbe nye gị uniform n'ọsụ ito. Bịa ebe a bịa gbawa egbe. Bịa ebe a bịa gbawa egbe. Ka unu hụ na-afọta ọnụ unu na-afọta. Onye m nwetere enweta onye nke nchetara. Unu nwere lock na my mother ada agwa m okwu. This one say gentle the Yahoo get. Now your father they run for gentle the Yahoo. Okay? Now your father go run for you. They crazy you and gentle. Tell gentle to pick that place in Okigwe if I no come there. If I no come there, make on count me as a mumu. You dey hear me? Make gentle, abobo, umulolo. In fact, the entire Okigwe LGA, the entire Onimo LGA, make that your gentle. Choose which place where you want me to bury am. Make it stand there. You know, say we, I be not the one on I say the day when he go set. In fact, to show you say he too short for me. Now from the local government chairman officer, he go start. I no one mention who. But I tell you, now for the chairwoman, like now from on a local government secretariat, you know, me, I just they keep quiet. Make I they watch Governor Hope who's on the first. Make I they watch Governor Hope who's on the first. You know, say him na person where they do, may they no call him name, may they no do this thing, may they no do this one. No be me. Iya ifure na plan imechi ka ibidu ya kita ka ibidu ya kita. Too much of silence. Madigane ejine ni ibe ya adedi. Somebody will be telling people, oh, you must pay for security. Go to Owerri Ezukana and see what is happening in Owerri Ezukana. Complain, don't fool like this. You wouldn't pay me anything to be Soludo. You would not pay me anything to be Governor Chukwuma Soludo at this moment. Ebere mebugo mu Soludo. Go to Oka and see what is happening. See the development in Oka. Tomorrow now, the same one I go come the shop say, oh, now only for Oka they go they develop. How will development come with all this nonsense? And some people they talk Anambra Airport. Igbo land no suppose get many. The same one now where they cry say we no get airport before. Now airport don't come. Because on no one tell on herself the truth say na Ipob ESN make Anambra Airport no dey work. Yes. Do you know that here la LGA alone and they go LGA where they near here la where this thing they happen. Now check these local government areas. Obaru LGA, you know, say nobody they talk about what thing they happen for Obaru LGA, where these people they operate. Obaru LGA. Iyala LGA. Orumba North and Orumba South. Especially Orumba, where they near Umunochi LGA and Orumba where they near Oji River LGA. Count all these places, all the big men when know they come back again from that place. Do you know that only big men from big boys and businessmen, people where they abroad from Ihiala LGA alone, where stop to they come to southeast where they stop fast about. Them alone, they contribute for Asaba Airport being busy. Are you understanding? Waiting they make Asaba busy. All the people away from Ihiala LGA, many of them, if they go southeast, they fear no, they even let them go on each other. Now, Asaba then they stay. Why Asaba housing no go decline? Why property no go dey more expensive for Asaba pass on each other? Una no one open on a mouth, tell on herself the truth, say, na the activities of Ipob ESN, just only Osumo. Oga A. Max and Jacobi, now we need your help. I need to go Gina. Just bring only people that used to come home from Osumo, from Lilu, from Asia, from Iseke, from Umbosi. Just these places. Bring those people that stopped coming home. The type of people they will be kidnapping, like the people with kidnap value. You know what I'm saying? As they know they come village again, make that airport they try. When I don't they talk southeast, oh, we have too much airport. We have too much airport. Really, Anambra Airport. Before this crisis start for Southeast, na Asaba, then they schedule their flight. They say whether Asaba get flight today or tomorrow. Now, every occasion, Asaba. Movie, Asaba. Everything, Asaba. Because people, they stop there instead of coming to Onitsha. Instead of coming to Onitsha, I pass Onitsha side, they go Okana. I pass Onitsha side, they go Oka. Come out for P-Week. Kai, I don't the pity people. I just the pity people. Somebody said, please tell him Baba not to do all this cut and join. He always no. The full video will be on YouTube. But I'm not sure he will post the full. He may post like 2 hours and the other 2 hours or 4-part series. Or 3-part series of maybe 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours. Then he will play the one 2 hours. It was, in fact, I'm not sure there are so many things he will cut out. I'm not sure there are so many things he will cut out. This cry, they're crying. They know how explosive it will be. Yam Baba is one of the people I respect in the Southeast. If you notice, he's one of the people that I still share their links. He's one of the people I still share their links. On my page. On my pages, even in our WhatsApp groups. And please, let me use this wonderful opportunity to thank our group for what we did yesterday. You know, I did not put the swallow in the video because Omokoko, they will leave the other ones and post only the swallow. The swallow different. And the boys, the men, they enjoyed it. Okay, they enjoyed it. So I want to thank all of us that played their part, especially our chairman, Harvest Committee, Mickey. Adache Zajamu, blessed them, the feminist. Blessed them, in you go. I thank all of us. Caesar Patrioti, I think Caesar the busy that day. Amarachi, oh no, my wing woman. And all of you, they enjoyed it. It was a wonderful experience. I know say if ball bounce well, all those things we feel they do every week until the operation finish. But that one aside, we will continue. Okay. So my people, This interview where then they cry about, they know why then they cry. And I'm telling you them, please, I'm challenging anybody on GBAM Podcast, that same platform that they cry. I want you to send 2 of your representatives. Let us do a live debate there. Let it be live. I dare you people. I dare you people to send people for a live debate. Okay? I dare you people to come on for a live debate. Let us debate it out. And one of the things I said in that interview is this. Anybody that is saying anything that doesn't want it to be challenged is a criminal. Are you hearing me now? Oh, you won't understand. And I ask, me now no go understand, but now you Obokodishi. Now you want to understand that. Now, why should I follow what I don't understand? Explain it to me first. Then if I don't understand, then I don't know that I don't understand. Not forcing me to shut my brain to common sense. Okay? Not trying to shut down my critical thinking by telling me I won't understand. If I won't understand, then you don't need to tell me. Carry your rubbish and run. Ndoshi. Criminals, all of them. If you cannot debate someone's point, then surrender. Admit that you lost and you are not standing on a solid ground. You are standing on the shaky floor. It's that simple. I don't care what it is. I don't care who is involved. Ojukwu, Peter Obio, Mio, anybody. I don't care. Come and debate it out. Let's all test our ideas. That's the beauty of democracy. We will not live in a society where they don't want us to ask questions anymore. It's a lie. You hate your people is not a response to explain yourself. You are Fulani is not the right response to explain this scam. Explain how Biafra is not a scam. You don't see them now. Allow a daughter allow if I need Jofo. They say then they expose if I Jofo. If I Jofo don't go tell them say $19,000 where they say they pay them. Say now they say make you withdraw them, send to them through another account. Classical money laundering. Classic money laundering, you know, pass like that. This ones they expose this one. The other one they expose the other one. Ali Igbo will vindicate the righteous. We will not shut up. We will not, never. You know, this truth is one stubborn phenomenon. Ezioku, all the church are stubborn like this, that even when you think you've buried it, something must bring it up tomorrow. You know they had. You know they had. Something must bring and come out. If you bury them underwater, it go come up. He go come up, go just bust out one day, but he go tell you. And that time, believe me, most of the people it catches up with that at that moment would have no escape route. Because by then the truth will have closed down everywhere. What are they going to tell you now that led to this Biafra? There is nothing else to tell you. You've seen it, they've said it all. And none happened. They didn't do anything. They were doing nothing other than silencing people. Eventually, you know, the problem with making yourself the biggest bully in the yard is that the day I got woginala. The day I got woginala. Iga pay. Did I go get on? Ige Janya like this in a bim mamu like Ige be put up. Because society like this, even the people who jige hope ga booze or go do wugina and self how we would up say. I cannot know Budo. Full community, they will empty it. Bury IEDs everywhere. What was the slogan? Oh, the Fulanis are coming. They are coming to chase you out. Once again, if the Fulanis go to Osuhito Kwana, who will they chase out? Because there is nobody there. Now people don't they come out small. Now people don't they come out small. If you are from Osuhito Kwa, if you are from Osu LGA, make sure you are home this weekend. On Friday, there will be a film crew that will come to record all the atrocities. If you want your story to be told, come out that day. If you want your story to be told, come out that day. On Friday, there will be a camera crew that will be present there. They will start videoing from Banana Junction. So if your community is anywhere from Banana Junction to Iseke Market, come on Friday. Make sure you are at that Osu LGA local government, the secretariat, the gate. Make sure you are there. So we document all of these things. Hear from the people who live in the community, what happened to them? Who are the people that burnt their houses? Who are the people that buy their people? Who are the people that use their people to cook egusi meat? Because the next generation will not be as confused as this generation. Yes. We would document every single thing. So tomorrow nobody will repeat this thing. Had they documented the things they did during their Biafra, believe me, these people will not have had the opportunity to do what they did. There is nothing happening now that did not happen in their Biafra time. People, to a family, maybe two brothers from the same family, this one want to covet the land left by their father. They will go and call their friends. They will carry their brothers' children, send them to Akwa Ibom, send them to Uyo, send them to Eket, send them to Brass to go and be fighting the Nigerian federal troops. The same thing that is happening today. They didn't do that one because we did not allow them. Even many of them, in many communities, they force people's children to join and they were bought by law enforcement. Yes. And they told you, oh, they buy because of Biafra. Biabukwe no munu na afra. Biade chakwa no n'ime deti. Catch which Fulani, onwe Fulani no anywhere. Catch which Fulani. If you hear story for also, one idiot to go from somewhere, especially all these Eza boys. You know when they say, oh, Abakaleke, na Eza boys and the Igbo boys, Eza, Igbo, na the two people. Now the two groups where food that place, they will come. Tell person where they say something, give me this one, give me this one, give me. You calculate the bill, they will tell the woman, collect it from so person. If he doesn't give you the money, come and tell me in the camp. Ihe ani Igbo du chagoro, ihe nda mere na ani Igbo. Ihe nda mere na this. Oh, we will not keep quiet. Everybody must confess. All of you people. We are going to interview on our former members now. Shebi will do amnesty program. Shebi will do amnesty program. The people who collect amnesty go come talk with all of us do together. Ask them where that guy where they call Ikenga for their camp there. No be then buy and chop him. No be then buy and chop him. Go for you. Kunu ham ruo na niile nduru na Igbo ala ga-ekpugide chunu niile. ala ga-ekpugidecha unu niile akwa ifuru unu tonda ga-agba unu niile riri. There is no single community these people are operating that those there don't know. Akwa ifuru unu nwa bụ ndị edenta na awụ ide mmiri. Ndị edenta awụ ide mmiri aji ofu ara na-ene n'unu. Ifuru ndị ụmụtanze akwa ụfọdụ n'ime ndị otu bute ụzọ na-agbatabu unu na unu agbachi nkịtị. Ka ngwakwa unu ndị ọsụ ga-abịakwa enwere unu destino. Shebi atelona. Buzz that way. TikTok, don't worry. Agwa m unu ndị ka afabe bute ụzọ ụmụtanze. Ndị ọsụ ga-abịa ịbọrọ unu ihe unu mere ihe nwa ha nwoke mere unu nwoke mere ha. Don't assume you will go free. I told you people since 2020 that at some point communities will be invading communities. Akwe furu ọkụ ọ ga-agbakwa sọsọ ofu ebe. Check ekili achọ ọsụ. Ọ bụ na ya ebido tribal war again na Igbo enwe ike dị m. No. O nwere communities need ịsụchapụ ndị nke ọzọ. Unu ga-ejiriri anụ unu compensate ndị ọsụ for ihe nwa unu mebiri. Unu ga-eji anụ unu ga-eji ọbara unu kwụ ụgwọ ihe unu mebiri. Agwa m unu when it will set. Akụ na-agụta Bible asị gị na alaeze ga-emegide ebinte megide alaeze ibe. Ụbọchị ikpe ka agwa gị na ọ ga-adị. Na nwanne ga-apịrị ya. Ọhịa ka o minrio. Na nwanne ga-apịrị ya. Akụ unu si na Bible ka anyị chọrọ ego. Anyị niile ga-agụwa Bible mewe ihe niile kwudere na Bible. Akwa obe Bible. Anyị niile ga-obe Bible nke ikpeazụ a. Alaeze ga-ebilite megide alaeze ibe ya. Anyị ga-emezucha ya n'obodo. By the time I mechara this thing, onweghị onye ga-ekunitekwa again na-ewe ibe ya ọdịrị adịrịa. Onweghị onye ga-ekuni again n'ibe ya this type of adịrị again. Unu niile ga-afụta atụ like anya ga na-afụ onye ọbụla double. Onweghị ihe dịka nọ ndị side a ọ bụkwa akụ unu chọrọ anyway ka hapụgodo ikwu anything. Nọ mgbe esendiri unu bill ihe unu ga-akwụ unu gbazie nkịtị ya ogbu nka ụmụ ọgarị ọlọ owere ezuka ala camp. My brother, I know all these things now. I know all these things and all those communities. I know say una they pay for bullets. They tell una say una they pay security levy na wetin they call am. A bunch of criminals. All the people where they pay the money to, no say na them set up the business. They say, oh, na them they all wanna ewete gaje nye ha. No, ha chadi na arụ ka onye ọbụla na percentage. Onye ọbụla nọ na percentage mụ na akọrọ gị ya business ka eji unu mee. Okay? Business ka eji unu mee mgbe ọbụla iji mepe anya gị ka ị ga-achọpụta ya. Otu anụ aga m evu dịka m ka mmadụ ga-abịa buru n'isi. A na-ebu. Mụ bụ aga m evu ka mmadụ ga-abịa buru ihe ebu na agbada. Nụ na-akọgheri. Ha. Onye ekwekwe na Bible sị gịnị na akọ na aka jikọ onye mmehie agaghị anata ha ntaramahụhụ. Aka na aka ijikọ bụ gịnị? You bring, even if na your uncle, na your cousin, na your brother, na your sister, isi nekwe ebe a. Egbufuo ya. Izobe ajọ mmadụ nke gị, nzobe ajọ mmadụ nke m ka ajọ mmadụ ji aka nkụ. Mana igbuo nke gị, mgbuo nke m, ife ya ihe ọjọọ na. Nwekwa onye na-ama ihe ọjọọ. Stop covering up evil. Ndị Igbo ihe abụghị our culture. We are not known for covering evil. Somebody say Kanu will pay for cause Akadaka Nandi Kanu. I told them on the GBAM podcast now, say if they leave him, me I go buy him. I go buy him. Why they want to leave him? How? Nande Budabu mother. I repeated it on the GBAM podcast. So I say, now my job to give you expo. Now my job to give you expo. If he will only live long if he stays inside there. How what happened? I must buy him. I must buy him. Let them try it. I'm telling the presidency now, in order to avoid anarchy in Igbo land, that guy go buy there. Nnamdi Kanu, I mean, must buy there. Okay? In order to avoid anarchy, as they gave him life imprisonment, he must serve his life imprisonment. And without parole. Without parole. With all these things that happened. Did Nnamdi Kanu tell them to cut off Matador's penis or not? Eh? He is from Mbutuzo, is from Umutanze. Those of you from also, did Nnamdi Kanu tell them to commot Matador prick or not? And after he told them to bury him alive. Matador was buried alive on the order of Nnamdi Kanu. Direct order of Nnamdi Kanu. He said, Ijele, please don't expose your intention in amu. In amu. If naked warrior won't kill you, in the hide the secret. The only law na no match him. You match him, you must collect. So there is, he don't match the high tension. Where in they go? Do you people don't know what terrorism is? Oh, buying a terrorist, no job, no law hold you. No law hold you if you buy a terrorist. So me, I no follow on the price go to one pattern. Now we tell them what boy I need. Only also, only see not to record me, cut this place. Now what then the kind what boy I need, what boy on work and what do she am. Those of us say, oh, we love it that the kind we get radio. The quiet radio, no, like line you up where like no she get the way if you baby here before. Also you go buy up people. Una Igbo. Una say we go see the other she maybe unu the kara na abun ni. The kara na abun. Odi kishi maybe unu thunder na fire unu. Like chena unu bari na ko eri unu na ko eri. Oh, leave him. What did he do? Don't worry. Don't worry. I pray may they leave him. I pray may they. You see Sarah reporter. Stand Showore say if they want trial, make him stand for that gate. Me I go fire him first. If I no do, I make I die. Memo to kill me. Tell him. Copy this one, go tell him. Say, anybody will say him mama born and where, they near him that day. Make them free him, just they near him for that day. If I no fire you, you go be victim of the intra-Igbo civil war. This is Igbo civil war in case you don't know. Oh, on a thing only one side go carry gun, thunder about we be doing better. You say you don't have right to buy, don't worry, come and become let the court declare you a terrorist, then we will explain it to you very well. Okay? Let the court declare you a terrorist, then you come out. That is when you will know where our power is coming from. You are doing your brother Bukwegi. Iyafo. Iya fa ezile ka eze ala gbukwe gị, iya fa mukwu ga-egbu unu niile nga nne ha. Man. This one don't even know how to write. You are beating more than you can do. You do just after you are not copying. I say, go and become a terrorist. Go to the court. Tell them you are an IPOB member and they will declare you a terrorist. Tell them that you bet with somebody. Make they pronounce you terrorist, then let you pass that gate. See if I no go kill you. Make I use you, starter. Make I teach you law. Show me the law, I go show you the law. I will show you the grave. Like, try. Tell on a politician say now we they talk. Rescue an Igbo. We don't sign now. No abuna buru mada age buya. If na me, by me. If na me, by me, anybody, work by person, you must buy. Whomever you are, Ojuku get lock. Ojuku, I quit for Ojuku. Tell Bianca I say her husband get lock. Onwe lock, onwe. Nana him for explain himself very well. You see that where you go Akokwa, November 1969. Go the light to 2 months before you run away. 2 months before you run away. Go Akokwa, go they tell people, say they don't buy Nigerian troops, say they don't stop oil flow. Biafra Air Force do this one. Nye. 2 months later, he ran away. Obu no dindo. Kita ko kari cover that video. Please, somebody type Ojuku in Akokwa. You see that 419 where you do those people. Now for explain them very well. Let any of his children come around for any office. Bianca, the way go do call Nedina. Bianca, the way go do call, yeah, the way go do minister on Nedi. Umwewu. Every generation, one bastard will come. Every generation, one fool will come. Chikoronde Madije waste their lives. Chikoro youth, and it is usually the youth they are wasting. It is usually the youth they are wasting. Each generation, God knows what they have. Fear. Beba na korom. Nwanne gbukwa egi die. Furukunu ga na ko eri ya. Nwanne gbuchakwa unu. Ụmụ ewu. Go watch the video. Let me even show you. Let me show you. Let me type Ojuku in Akokwa on YouTube now so you people will see it. Ojuku speech in Akokwa. Ojuku. I'm coming. What type of Ojuku speech Akokwa? See it here now. Now the video here. Kuno nu di onyoshi. First off, person wey saying they war. See as in beer smooth. See as in beer smooth. The bomber this thing overall when he wear. One day bako kondo bere. See how the clothes where you wear the iron arm. One day fesi konya arurundi madu. See how they iron the clothes when you wear. Now watch when people begin clap after I talk. Watch how you look them. He shocked, said they believe her.
before you, proud to be a servant of such a heroic people. Today I stand before you to proclaim that our heroic youth in the various fronts have turned the tide of this war. They have smashed all enemy offensives directed at our destruction. In the air, they have destroyed systematically the sinews of Nigeria's military might. The Biafran Air Force, small as it is, has stopped the entire oil flow of Nigeria from the mainland world.
Once again, see the way he shocked, said them believer. As see the way he looked them, so I believe him.
All enemy offensives directed at our destruction. In the air, they have destroyed systematically the sinews of Nigeria's military might. The Biafran Air Force, small as it is, has stopped the entire oil flow of Nigeria from the mainland world. All protestations to the contrary by the British Broadcasting Corporation and Harold Wilson are mere wishful thinking. Our gallant boys are men tempered of steel. They have wrested the initiative from the Gawan enemy, and the Nigerian hordes are in trepidation and on the point of rout. The confusion of the enemy in the battlefields is only matched by the confusion in his home. Fight on, brave boys, fight on, heroes of our fatherland. Pursue the enemy, harass him, destroy the invader. March on, brave boys, now that victory is in sight. March on and hasten the disintegration of the enemy already set in motion. March on, young men.
See, march on, young men, people, children, march on. See him be as he fresh. See his uniform as the iron and even straight past this one while I wear. If I pay for unu, agwamono n'unu ga-ajụ ekwensu na ọrụ ya niile na mpako ya niile n'ihe efu nke ụwa ọjọọ nke na agụ mmehie niile nke dị n'anụ ahụ. Iju ekwensu iju ya ka ndị Anglican. Okay? Iju ekwensu iju ya ka ndị Anglican. Ndị Anglican ọsị gịnị ị ga-aga ma ajụ ekwensu na ọrụ ya niile na mpako ya niile na ihe efu nke ụwa ọjọọ nke na agụ mmehie niile nke dị n'anụ ahụ. Ị ga-ajụ Biafra, ị ga-ajụ Ojukwu, ị ga-ajụ ụwa zuru ike, ị ga-ajụ Nnamdi Kanu. Do every single thing that has to do with Biafra because it has always been a fraud. Are you hearing it? March on, heroes of our fatherland. 2 months before he ran away. Was there a time 2 months to the war that Biafra soldiers were winning at any front? Name the front. Name that front they were winning in 1969. By the time he was talking now, he is making this noise. He has lost the full OAU. He has lost all of them. The troops, the 3rd Marine Commando has circled this Uguta side. They've collected Rivers State. November 1969, I'm telling you, the 3rd Marine Commando has broken every resistance in the current day Rivers and Bayelsa states. There was no fighting there anymore. Still, they would refuse to surrender. Went to Akokwa to recruit more people. Today, people from Akokwa are still crying. Oh, what they did. See the idiot that went and recruited your people when he has already lost the war. Cowards, they will never be in the front. This is the same thing. Today, have you seen Butus on the front? Go to that Osuhitokwa bush. Everywhere is smelling dead body. Dead bodies everywhere. It smells everywhere. But then the light on, I said they know they buy them. When I not see that video, will come out from Osubo. Shebi on I see said the gravestones where they inside that their camp for Badara there. So all of them they knew. You see the gravestones, they put their names there. Now those kind useless names where they answer. And they are not touching Amen. Who will be those people who will not mark their graves? Now it is a victims, they mark their graves like that. Wait, make I show you what I mean. Same way, they no go come out to Ndoshi. Unu na-eche amnesty, unu ga-afụ ihe. Thunder ga-agbagbu unu niile. Thunder ga-agbu unu niile riri. Useless set of people. Make I show on a video. Where this video there? Those videos go there far. I be one show now where the bodies dey. Ndoshi. Then go just go hide. Mwe berima. Bia di umu mmadụ ka ha bịa nwufuo. But the video too dey far. They will never lead from the front. They will never. Abeg, butuzo, kenu mbosai na aperiano. Carry your men, come make a camera. Shebi they carry me, they come the dance. Ndara. No na abia agbo egwu eh. Carry your men, come make a carry my men come now. I pencil. Carry your men, come make a carry my. I na aperiano na full mark. I challenge you, take one post. And you and B44 with your men. In fact, all of you join yourselves together one side. We will go there one side. Kapiri Kenya. Kai body to go to New Obere. Kai body to a small majai. Those of you foolish people that are sending the money from abroad. Una fugo de gunu la rohe. Una fugo de gunu furun ketenab. Nendu jaba. Now this was one come fight nice. Hi, na mistake wey happen yesterday. I for no say them put law. Say if you shoot one bullet from my place na 10,000. Akama atukwasi ya n'elu 20 something minutes. Mbo karịrị nụ. Ịmakwa mgbe ibube ya. Mgbe imegidezi vanquisher na adazi ada. Ikwesị ịma na bullet karịrị. Ọ bụ na mụ. Agari Chineke bo. Where my dear. Akama. I for year and first. Akama here. Don't go down my promise you because like ndogwa eberebe gburu ndogwa yesterday because I da ka echewere di ja do yo ọbụna na ọkụ na-agba n'umuduru. Ọkụ kwesịrị ịdị anụ na odogwu natara ọkụ kwesịrị na abụ ihe mkpọrọ ana. Okay? Ọ bụghị mkpọ na ana bụ for ndị old school. No AA. Ina no sound ya. Ina like ina if ina no sound. Ina agba. Nke anyị na-anụ na that tape bụkwa ọnọkwa fa na azụ ụlọ ka a na-agba that thing. Ọ na-akụ jajajab. My brother said that because we dey ka ndị mmadụ wee nke said happen unu adozina m aka n'akwa. Unu adozina like ka m were onye rahụ ayi otu ọ dị m yesterday mmadụ rahụkwara ụra n'abalị ahụ ma na ọ bụghị. Ọ ndị agadi nwaanyị ka m mere ebere if not or like till now sound aka na-ebe na nwee na ntị ndị ọbụla. Ana m achọ onye m ga-eji eme example. Ana m achọ so de Ebuka na mkpọrọ gị Chidera anyị ma na ote na ifo. Okay? Sorry na Jim, no. ihe menu bụ na ama m na ozi a na ha nụrụ ya. Ana m achọ nnọọ onye nge ọ bụ na ufu ụlọ kwụrụkwa na obodo ahụ ma ọ na ọ bụghị m. Chena ya asịrị na enweghị blọkụ ga-anọ n Jizọs ọ sị na gịnị mgbe a ga-ebutu ụlọ Jerusalem na onweghị okwute ga-anọ n'elu okwute. Tiru kamera everywhere because achọ m ka unu na-afụ ka o si onweghị ofu okwute ga-anọ n'elu emechachacha m unu ihe mmechacha gị ihe ịgba ha ọsọ ị ga-adị ndụ were agba ọsọ m ga-ama ebe ị ga-anọ na Naịjirịa nọ nna-achụ gị na village nna-achụ gị ma na Aba ma na Ọnịcha ma Lagos ma Abuja mma achụgide ndị bụ unu niile telivishọn eniri m ha ncha niile mma emechacha mma na-anwụrụ ma nwa kọpị anụ nke a sị na m kwuru ọsọkwa bụrụ nwa ya ka dewegodi ebe a ka afụgodo onye ga-anwachi ya ka afụgodo onye ga-anwachi ya nkịtị ka njọ ọsọ gbachi unu nkịtị ụmụ ewu ụmụ mgbada nna kele nke a ga-anọzi n'ala Igbo ebe nchọfụ n'ụbọdịzi na-achọkwa ịchụ mmadụ ọsọ na be gị You say Ijele, I use your bingos will not fight Yambaba. Now you do that. Now they don't do that. They threaten them already. Now. They don't. I'm sure some of their politicians will be calling him. Me, I don't talk which I talk. Nothing will stop the truth from getting out. Nothing will stop the truth from getting out. Nothing. No human being. No power. No body. Okay? Nothing don't happen to Ipenson and the BC. The one where they answer Biafra or nothing. Now you don't buy. We saying give him father 7 days. You know no say himself no get 5 days self. One also one go better about these people. One day about that. One day Afghan pem kene uswamambe one day. Uswamambe just kahana madana. You see the current operation ongoing in Igbo. It will get to every single local government, and I know you people. Okay, choose this local government who will go next. Please, choose the next local government you want us to go. Name it. Name the local government. Name the LGA you want us to go. Around this org and Okigwe, that's the Dato North. And Okigwe, right? LGA, which one will it be first? I'm just kind of thinking, should it be Njaba/Mbitoli or Idato/Okigwe? But any operation in Okigwe should get to Onimo. Maka need ikeji ebe enu niile. I'm thinking. Because oto anu apia osuna. Adike enidiri some people say Okigwe. Nwanne Njaba. Ndị Okigwe akarịa. Okay. Idato North/Okigwe. Well, I'm going to bring it up. Umulolo, that is Okigwe now. How Okigwe don't pass. Ndị Okigwe akarịa. Asia, no. Asia should feel the heat, but that one is Anambra, is a 302 battalion that should do that one. Orumba South, no, that one is 302 battalion. Don't worry, I'm compiling files of Anambra. I'm in close communication with somebody very close to the governor. It's up to in fact, Anambra, most of the Anambra jobs should be police work. Yes. But this one where Anambra get a commissioner of police where say IPOB is not a violent. I don't understand how a person will go the wasting time when even the commissioner don't know he work. Where commissioner commissioner of police, they talk say like if the commissioner of police is not even aware of what essence is it gathering all those intel. He said then they umunze and obado. Gentle get when in the go umunze na abi the no. Make I give you the name of the hotel where gentle they go for umunze. He dey for Kigwe Road for umunze. The hotel dey for Kigwe Road for umunze, and I know the owner. Okay. Yes. Onimo. Okwe, precisely. Of course, I know about Okwe. You know, say some people like this, when you talk, it's like, when I go talk about DSS for Imo State, now then go say, me at the target. No, me, I don't already promise the brigade commander for Imo State. Say, me, I don't go talk about DSS for Imo State again. Though their boys, they work well. Their boys, where they are barracks, then they try. Because you can't praise Asari Dokubo without praising the DSS. Okay? You can't praise Asari Dokubo without praising the DSS. His boys are fighting very well, and all of them are under the control of the DSS. So, if you notice, it's not too proper. Okay? This one says, stay out of it. That shut up. Make they come they use them they hide. I be all those baby them friends. It is say we no know. It is say we don't know what it happen for Uduala. It is say we don't know what it happen for Dikena Fai. It is say we no know. You see Imo State, we go tell others say Imo State belongs to Nigeria. Stanley, my Telegram channel know the work again. Okay? My Telegram channel know the work again. Now my account number they work. That one you go quick collect. I go quick give you. My Telegram channel know they work again, but you can reach me on WhatsApp. That's if you have something important. Okay? Please, information. We are not raising any money online. No money where we raise. Now, the one where we take do our food program. That's the one of Starlink. We are not doing Starlink now. So the people who say then they raise money, I don't know who then they raise them for. Please, beware of 419. If you need anything, we dey talk am here. Okay? Those of on our way want just show appreciation. That one different. We are not doing any launch, and donation. I bet. Thank you, Dayo. Please hear this one now. And no, we don't have any agent. Because some people will be telling you, oh, now we be the agent. If you want to hear from Ijele, it's a lie. If you are friends with anybody in our WhatsApp group, they can help raise the issue in the WhatsApp group. If you send me message, some of you may be watching me on Ijele Speaks Remix. I can't be able to read your comments. But sometimes I do check messages. So Chimeze will check the messages. If it's worth bringing to my attention, he will bring it to my attention. And now, those of you from Enugu State, especially Igbo North, where these criminals are, in the whole of Ezeago LGA and the Igbo North LGA, if you have any problem, you have any complaint, write to me via the king of the game, please. Most of your messages on the Big Masquerade, Undiluted Truth, or Ijele Speaks Remix, I always miss them. Send it here. You know any of them hiding in the cities, in any of our capital cities. If na PGO, if na anybody CSO of any community, most of these places where they there na the PGs of those communities and the CSOs. Okay? Hanekuchika said most of the Okada riders in our phone marker. You know, see when I tell them yesterday, no be for their front. No be for their front. I they tell them, say, see all these Okada people we see them na their informant. Them see me now, they know me. They know me. I see them yesterday. No before na front, I they point them. Say, see them, see all those Okada people. Say na their informant. Them. Don't worry. Nsigi mboso oge say to no nya nwutara nwuta ma Okada ndi be ha ma fuzi again. Okay? Onye nke anwụtara afa gị bụ bye bye. They say, hey, Chideke, kai. No be even full squad. No be even full. No. I na gafe if you go do na man, no be there wa man. If you no be there wa man. Like I told you people, umuoshi. Not even your politicians where they use you work go save you. Obosi ikpe ga-adị egwu n'igwe. That day, agwa nge na ụbọchị ọ ga-ada akwefuru mmiri a. Mmiri na-eru n'igwe ọ na-eru na nkịtị. Isi ike juru ụwa ọ na-eme na nkịtị. Unu amakwa na mmiri a ga-emebi ihe eme ozo si ezokwe n'ebe gị. Unu amakwa na mmiri a ga-emebi ihe eme ozo. Ụmụ ekperima unu amakwa na mmiri a ga-emebi ihe eme ozo. Onye nsi na aja unu amakwa na mmiri a ga-emebi ihe eme ozo. Ọ ga-ezo. Akwa mmiri unu na-adọ since. Don't worry, ọ ga-ama ma onye ọ anyị niile ga-anọ n'iro ọ na-ezo ka ifo onye gba ọsọ nne ya. Onye gba ọsọ nne ya nke nọ ebe abara uru na kebu unu chọrọ ka bidogo pere ya. Kebu unu chọrọ. This one say if you buy everybody, onye ga-afọ ya ga-egbubu ndị ọjọọ. Ndị nke ha na-egbusi nso ọ bụghị mmadụ. Egbe adịghị mma ị na-eje sọsọ ofu direction. O kwesịrị esi side agbatu ya agbatu sisi tukwenu side agba ya. Ọta anụ mmadụ ya tụrụgodo onwe ya mbọ. Ori anụ mmadụ tụgodo onwe ya mbọ fụ ka o si afụ. Okay? Ọhịa anyị nọ n'ime utu ọbụla isi chọọ enyejuo gị afọ. Ihe ọbụla ị chọrọ akwefuru. Unu chere aga na-abịa Allen onye na poverty abụghị ezigbo ihe and the lack of competition. I don't go enter a piece why I say I no go enter 2 times. Because I feel home plane. If not, Allen onye ma you mepere ọnụ na-akọgheri. Na a ga-arụrụ ha ụlọ. Chineke atago m afọ. A ga-arụrụ ndị gburu mmadụ ụlọ. Eji ayọ ha iyi afọ gbukwa onye ọnwụ. Ọ ga-adịkwa ndụ ebi n'ụlọ ọnwụ. egbe elugo amụcha mawukwa onye ọwụ iyi afọ asị m ezileke gbukwa onye ọwụ nto ya mukwu mabikwa onye ọwụ isi nje abalịkwa onye ọwụ ị ga-adịkwa ndụ eba n'ụlọ nke ahụ ozu gị ka a chọrọ ibubane ozu gị ka a chọrọ ibubane ya a na-arụrụ ụlọ ebe ha na-epụtafu ụlọ poor people unu doga na onye nwe ụlọ enwe ka ọhịa before nonsense ebido mana ha agbagọsọ ụfọdụ egbugo ha gbuo efe Chineke ịma na ọ dị izi ịka akụkọ manshọn ndị agbara ọkụ no ụmụ manshọn ndị a agbara ọkụ ndị nwe manshọn a nwere ike ịrụta new one ụmụ obere ụlọ ahụ enwe ndị bi n'ụlọ arụrụ 1970 mana ije ebe ahụ agba n'ọsọ mmadụ anọdụ ọ dịrị ha mma ha ebiri n'ụlọ arụrụ 1970 ọ dịrị ha mma mmadụ ebiri n'ụlọ arụrụ 1970 ọ gaghị adịrị Nnamdi Kanu na mma ụwa ụwa ise ezinụlọ ya niile ga-atagide afọ Amadioha ga-ahapụ na be ha. The cause of Amadioha would remain permanent in their household. It already showed them now. Say, Ijele, can we give these people a day to surrender waiting? No worry, light still there. I don't know waiting come off this one. Don't worry, the light is coming. Which day to surrender? How many times they want to give them that opportunity? It's Allen Onyema and Benjamin Madubugu. No be today now. No be today Benjamin Madubugu don't they enjoy from Allen Onyema. Okay? No mind them. One day, soon happen. All these people that are involved with the Amnesty Industrial Complex, they don't want it to end. It's just from time to time, they will come again, do amnesty program. They will come again, do amnesty program. Oh, to Hasheme. Yes. I'm not going to an amnesty program for Ndoshi. Umekperima. Tia. Also Ndoshi ka ọ chọrọ ịrụrụ ụlọ ndị nke egbe biziri nke ha unu bụzi ya Ubanza. Unu nọzi ya Ubanza. Kwefuru unu. Tonda ga-agba unu niile riri ka anyị na-echegodu. Nsogbu adịghọ. My wonderful people, I thank you all. You know, say Lagos na my home after Onitsha. Na Lagos. You understand? So make I just leave am like this first. Make I leave am this. Tomorrow I dey go court. we dey wait for Hezekiah. That year Hezekiah. Tomorrow na our court date now. I saw one of their useless police prosecutor for one baby virgin. He saw me today. It was like he saw a ghost. He shocked. He look where as I look at, so he just turned. Where you nonsense gown, where you know iron. Run. Tomorrow, you know, say tomorrow, today now because I go check something. Tomorrow I go see una know as e dey be now. Man, akwecha. Some people saw me where I went to buy bread in Onitsha at opposite comprehensive. And I could Zenith Bank. The guy I know even said. Mano in Asia, if we say come no piri one place, you must go buy one leg. Man, we eat as yourself, why you go bread? Let me block one also. Please, if I miss any food, let me know. Why you go bread? Always seem new ka 116. Why be calculate? You calculate 2,000 just cheers. How many loaves I brew? Calculate go the can add 4,008. 12 loaves of bread. Make I carry bread. You must speed now. You use a hand. Go motor go. Say no, it's in a bomb. Hey. Just say leave my prophet alone. No. Me and your prophet no get problem. Me and your prophet no get problem. Which one be your prophet? One baby virgin or Hezekiah? Which one is it? Now one baby virgin I be Hezekiah and I be your this thing. Well, the one baby virgin case they go put date on 8th of March. Nobody can go. Una puta ku of money can go. Abuni ika gugu no na puta nu ku of ma. Amara ni ike agugu no ichi surrender puta surrender ka esi surrender. Obuhe na-eme imakwa na ume eji amụ nwa adịghị. Let me block one food. Imakwa na ume eji amụ nwa adịghị putakwa na pretend. Yeah, I say the miracle way they do for now, say me they can't do it for his court now. With evidence. Okay, now one baby virgin be your leave one baby virgin. I really want him to shame me. Let him come and open that padlock with Jonathan. May the court explain Jonathan to me. Now, very simple something, May the court explain Jonathan to me. Say na native doctor be. Well, I say no be native doctor. Now I want to go choose it. I be make her come on a program. Okay, today na Monday. Which day una they do program self? Ma call on a church come dance. At least una get people wey sabi sing. Una get at least una know say sabi dance very well now. Una go tell ask in charge for Ikoyi the day where you do Thanksgiving. In charge for Ikoyi prison, ask and day where you do Thanksgiving. The video day now. The video day. He say Ijele because about the John now they sit down at bad in Kata. About here Iakuko, no Nakuko no eme. What I go? Me, I'm not a difficult human being, no. Now you know. Now you know. He na ga heme he ga heme intimidate or that cause okay, tomorrow and Wednesday, know what I go come on a church tomorrow. I go come on a church tomorrow. Oh God, for the bad speak chara de ko isu anuzo. You go shock how many people I know for that church. You go shock. She make we go my baby virgin church. My people vote. I can't get more good as Zion. She make we go dance there. He say Emeka from Turkey. Which Emeka? I know many Emeka now. Which Emeka? I know many Emeka for Turkey. Which is a guy na Ikoyi prison. Yes, so. Which Emeka for Turkey? Emeka Steve. Somebody say don't go. Don't go as what? For what? This one say yes, so. Ndu ke Jesus arụrụ anụ unu na-arụ adịgo too much. Can try go dey ekwensu a. Ndu otu Jesus. Unu ejigo Jesus arụ ihe too much. Okay? Una don't use this Jesus do so many things. Can't try go the one be Ekwensu. My brother ma support to her your job. Is that what you mean by Ekwensu? Eh? It like or go and support to your job. Do you know you are actually promoting Ekwensu? Eh? Do you know you are actually promoting Ekwensu by calling me Ekwensu? Because now we be people who say they go punish all the evil people. Now we say anybody where they sick make you go hospital. Now we say nothing like miracle. All this one shady baba baba them brother sondo yeke. Non koheri. Now we say make the people they live. You mean Ekwensu like reality? Eh? Is that what you mean? Me block one also. He said, don't worry, very Thomas or some water. Dara. Very useless set of people. Ekwensu din someone name okay? Eh? Ekwi one name. Ekwe Amanachi because tagara me Ekwensu din so. Tagara me Ekwensu din so nga o tagara me tagara ma unemo. Eh? Let me block another also. You say Ijele, you be like say you don't join Matthias. Which Matthias? Matthias they do your own. Me I do my own. Matthias them their own different from our own. No? Now we be real traditionalist. Okay? Now we be real traditionalist. So we and Matthias them know. Matthias cannot call himself a real traditional. You can't be a real traditionalist and be supporting the evil Nnamdi Kanu is doing. Okay? You can't be a real traditionalist and be supporting the evil Nnamdi Kanu did in Igbo. It's a litmus test. The litmus test for every good Christian, every good traditionalist, every good Muslim is where you fall on the Nnamdi Kanu issue. You see all these ones where they call themselves atheists for Nigeria, all of them are evil. All these useless nihilists. They claim saying that them they wise pass, but they support it, but the man Nnamdi Kanu. Eh? Chami. A real traditionalist will never support evil. If a real traditionalist comes here and see that I, as a traditionalist, am wrong in a matter, he will condemn me, dear. Just like a good Christian will condemn me, a fellow Christian. Just like a good Muslim will condemn a good fellow Muslim. You understand? So, all these tags don't mean anything. All these tags don't mean anything. Do you want to represent Christ? What does Christ mean? Eh? What does Christ mean? There is no other place is evident, so much pronounced and proclaimed than the book of Galatians chapter 6 from 19 to 26, where it talks about the fruit of the Spirit and the fruit of the flesh. Open your Bible to the book of Galatians chapter 6 from 19. Read 19 to 23. Then read 23 to 26. Are you understanding me now? It is clearly stated. That's where you will know that the Bible is not a book for anybody. Most of you Christians are not old enough in your brain to read the Bible. Because when we say it's an occultic book, it's because the things written there are written in codes, in secrets. All right? So what does Christ represent? Light. And what does light represent? Truth, honesty, decency, justice. That the fruit of the flesh is what? Deceit, criminality, lies, envy, jealousy, greed. But no, let me go back to church for now. Make I know because of when I go back to church. If I because of when I carry Bible again, I no go like me. I swear, if I because of when I go church again, I go the leader fact. Okay? I go begin, it's a fact. I go, very soon I go be priest. I go, see, if you go, you see why these your pastors, they fear me. You see why then none of them go debate me for Bible. You see me, they open any Bible. Nothing there, yeah, no open any book. Okay? I no open any book. Name that your pastor I preach, pastor. Name that, gentle, Sabiri, or maybe content of the Bible. Gentle, because open the book of Nahum. After Nahum, which book they? After Zephaniah, which book then they read after Zephaniah? Tell me. It's after the preaching offering time. Hey! One ekwensu nnem ekwi nnem akwa ajuola m ese gi samarachi ya kpọ gi. See, this church waiting they go, all of us first go this church. All these ones, none of them, me I be pure Anglican. So you don't get what you want. Many of them where they do this, the church where they go, when all of us small, none of them they carry Bible go church. I want 9 better na abo. Did they be confirm? Be Bible na hane kwe Jesus on one party. On the day we better na abo. Ha moto esi mepa akwụkwọ nsoro ekpere. Ha amaghị bụ usoro ekpere ọcha ndị mụ na ha na-abịa tournament Bible. You say so you go church well. Bịa ka ije Anglican church ka m wụọ gị na Catholic you want try? Which church I no go? Masele, Sabbath, Cherubim, Mountain of Fire. I go Mountain of Fire. He say Ijele put account. People will get my account today there. May they put them. I go help them pin them. Sele, Mountain of Fire. Nanglican come go do mamu. Eje cham charismatic. Je ni ran eje na charismatic. Hello. Ekwe su isi na stream ya na TikTok. My TikTok people. This one said Nnamdi Kanu sabi Bible. Sabi Bible. Pass you time of also. Na Fadoluoma una go they call like those ones. I go level Fadoluoma with Bible teachings. Person who I go tell you say I no go challenge like that na Bishop Geoffrey Ona. Okay? Na Geoffrey Ona only say that one fee you say, you know, say any man will sabi proverb. Somebody say drop account because somebody drop my account. A word update. I trust you now, financial secretary. I be treasurer. Okay, man, I see the account there. Now Bishop Geoffrey Ona be the only person who be say he get the kind proverb where that man threw it as saying, as though this one a senior man. Na senior man. But if not to challenge people like Bishop Anikwenwa for Bible, I go challenge her. With all due respect, my Lord Bishop. Bishop Onyemerukwe, may you so rest in peace. Also, yes. And that bangle cannot yoga come mara. Mabu no come maria. All the children of Bishop Onyemerukwe are ready to challenge them for Anglican teachings. I challenge you, take one post. Okay? I challenge you, take one post. No, Bishop Godfrey Honor, me I no fit challenge am. No, nah, for waiting. Bishop Geoffrey Honor. Bishop Geoffrey. That man without the Bible, he will talk to you in a way that it will suit your mind, your brain will calm down. It's not about whether you are a Christian or not. The man knows what he's saying. You say, Anikwenwa, yes, Anikwenwa, yes. Anikwenwa don't go. Never first time go now. May he so rest in peace, my Lord Bishop. Kai. But when it comes to any society will lose men like that, they lose personal. Anikwenwa. But on their fact, born a mahajiji, ndi brother and sister. We see how free you na machari bosunu je obodo mmadụ je beheri akụpụ n'isi na anatawa. Anikwenwa. You say Father Kevin Ugu. No, him na just average. He's an average priest. He's an average. Kevin Ugu is an average priest, but he's better than what's his name? Ebube Monso. Ebube Monso is just Odumeje in Catholic group. Okay? No, Bishop One, I tell you, say na old man na. Ezigbo onye Igbo wụrụ banana. Ezigbo onye Igbo like amusiri ike na ani Igbo. Bishop Geoffrey na no na kai. Inefu. Inefu chọrọ ifu. Bishop Honor is one man that I can go to his house, sleep there, eat well, drink water. If to say still they drink alcohol, I'm not saying go give me my drink. I'm not for no drink, madam. Not gonna bang on my bunker na go banye na anwa. Eh? But no. He knows. He say what of Mbaka? Nah, Mbaka. Oh, Mbaka biko. Mbaka jewegodu no. Na happen Mbaka jewegodu no. Ko we brocha. Happen nke Mbaka. Mbaka bụ ndị otu fadede ha nọ. Mbaka na nwa baby virgin ha ndị anọ abụ ndị ya nọ na Mbaka chọpụtara n'oge ọ chọpụtara gboo ọrụ kastigo na ọrụ na kastibe ịghọtago apụ Mbaka. There is another Anglican priest. I don't know if he has changed now, but those days, you know, Bishop Paul Udog, the Bishop of Afikpo Diocese, Anglican Communion, Bishop Paul Udog, he was good then. Anybody in Afikpo that knows this man I'm talking about, he was in Gombe. Okay? He was in Gombe. Fada Oluoma is another. Yes, I mentioned Fada Oluoma now. I mentioned Fada Oluoma. If you consider Fadede a great man, you should also consider Mbaka a great man now. And I don't. I don't rate them for you. As for Nke Fadede, Fadede came to Istanbul. I think that was between 2018 and 2020. I know it was before COVID. Ask Sunday Mame Ebuka. Sunday is from Enugu. He used to work for Mame Ebuka then. Mame Ebuka that Juventus used to work in that place. You that is calling Fadede AB. I think Sunday Mame Ebuka and one Dominican girl we have. Dachi Nyoma, you know what I'm talking about now. Dachi, Dachi, they here. Ask Sunday Mame Ebuka. The kepu, you know. Now two Dominican girls I beg, so they carry. Oh, biko na achọghọ m ga-ekwutewe ya aka. Okay. He said Fadede never indulge in partisan. That may be true, but I'm not talking about partisan politics. But let me put it this way. I can leave my girlfriend with Bishop Geoffrey Ona, but I won't leave my girlfriend with Fadede, especially if the girl fair. Let's leave it like that. Kapu keni yotua. Umunne. Ka jidekedi yotua. Or should we go deeper? Should we? Please. I feel and this broadcast starts a new one. Should we go deeper? I would have gone a man or a woman and I tried him not to you none. Should we go deep or see Kuria go or Adaches Adamu blessed them? Should I go on or go beron de Kureku? Should I? Or I don't know what this person is typing. Do you also say, do you mean he did not? Now you they talk that. Now you they talk that, Now you now for your mouth you they hear that one. Nobody go sue me now. If now whether on I want make we talk and they go or make we okay. Other chairs and then we say no. Come cool, you say down. Come cool, you say that. Na maka Amanda ke maka mommy otika. Make I pause. Okay. So leave me. Make I choose my own priest. If I say this priest good, believe me good. But if I say make you leave one, I beg. I use my beg honor. I beg. Leave am. You understand? We get many people where go Madonna. You understand? Now make people where go Madonna, we study for Madonna, start the topic, then make we complete them. You understand? In fact, I will give them platform to come back. I don't stop now. Shebi, I say the two people where I call, made the two people where get veto power. The two people where get veto power don't talk, say, make I calm down. You understand? So myself, I don't calm down. My brother is the best priest. Okay. That chase I don't close the broadcast. So my wonderful people, I love you all. Stay blessed and see you soon. Good night.